Hey everyone, and hi again. Welcome back, welcome back. Stick around if you want to see how I created these juicy twists. They are from QVR hair. Oh my gosh, they're so full and bouncy, full of life. Oh, just everything that you want in a twist. Then this is it. So okay, we're starting off with freshly washed hair, and this is the brand QVR hair, and we're using the 20 inch natural black color QVR AFRO KINKY bulk hair. Okay, so yes, that's the brand we'll be using. I did use three and a little potion, just a little bit, like 2 braid out of another pack, so just 3 packs in total. And you see how my clients' hair is super full. They are so full. They are full and long and long. So yeah, let's go everyone. So we're gonna be, her hair was it was washed, it was moist, and I like the fact that it was moist and not too dry. You see how her natural hair is long? Listen, her natural hair is as long as the human hair, but she wanted more life, and she didn't want them to soil easily. So she is going to keep them in for a long time, and before she removed them. And yeah, so I'm damping the hair because it's it's dry. Even though it's human hair, they separate easily when I damp them. That's what I think, and that's what works for me, right? So I'm just damping them a little bit. See how it pulls off easily. And yeah, all the products that I use leave in. No, it's not a leave-in, it's a hair cream. I use hair cream. I use shine and jam, just a little bit of shine and jam. If you want, you don't have to, because if you want the hair to be more lively and not laid down and stiff, then don't use any gels, or you could use the water-based gel. Shine and jam is now a water-based gel. Yeah, so then after, if they're too stiff for you after install, you can always do the hot water. And I did the hot water when I'm finished. You don't have to, but it gives it more life. And they're super long. Even if they're 20 inches, you don't have, they can even be longer. You can install them longer. It depends on how you install. You can fold them in half and install them like that. You could fold them in 3/4. You could fold them in 2/3. You can do that. And you could get more length. Seeing that my client, she has really long hair. Her hair is as long as the extensions. Yeah, so they came out pretty nice, pretty lovely. And yeah, I would do this hair on myself as well. See, they're long. Yeah, it took me over 5 hours to install these hair, guys, and I think I was just 2 hours in at this point. I was 2 hours in, and you see how they are looking. They are looking already. So this is all I do. I just separated the hair, make sure it is damp, and I use a portion this size. It depends on how big or thick the size you want the extensions. You can yeah, so if you want them smaller, you can always go up for a smaller size, and if you want them bigger, you could always opt for a bigger portion of hair. So yeah, this is the size I'll be doing today, since she's gonna be removing them after 2 or 3 months. she'll be able to wash them as well. So yes, a versatile style. Highly recommend QVR hair. It's they're easy to install, easy, super easy to install, and they have different color options. This is a natural black. You can opt for whatever color you in the mood for. Okay, so thank you always for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, do all the good things. Come on, people. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in my next one.